Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we're making a very simple dessert, that's macaroni fruit salad. This is a quick dessert that can be made in under 10 minutes and it tastes awesome when it is served chilled. For this I've used macaroni which I've boiled. This is about 1.5 cup. And fruit cocktail, I've used 1 tin which is about 450 grams, or you can use 2 cups of fruit cocktail. Fresh cream 200 ml. Condensed milk I've used 1 cup, but you can add it according to your taste. If you want it more sweet, you can add some more. Mayonnaise I've used 3 teaspoons. Cherries, red cherries, a handful. So these are the ingredients that go into making the mac fruit salad. Let's take a bowl and add all the 3 ingredients to this. First, the fresh cream. I've used the Tetra Pak fresh cream for this, and along with this condensed milk, like I said, you can increase or decrease the quantity of the condensed milk. And we'll add the mayo. I've added just 3 teaspoons, 3 heaped teaspoons. Let's whip everything together till it forms a smooth batter kind of a consistency. Okay, so this has mixed really well. Now let's add in the rest of the ingredients. The fruit cocktail along with a little bit of its syrup from the tin. The cherries, you can also add some red or green cherries, and you can also add some fresh fruits to this like apple or banana. You can add those also if you wish. Let's add in the pasta or the macaroni. This also you can increase or decrease according to your taste. I like to keep it more fruity when compared to the pasta. So I've added more of the fruit and I've reduced the amount of macaroni or pasta in this. This is a very quick and simple dessert and it tastes really good when served chilled. You can also add a scoop of ice cream to this if you like. This is as simple as this. We'll garnish it with some red cherries and it is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments section if you liked it.